Let's make some homemade blueberry muffins. First, you will need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a half teaspoon of baking soda, and a half teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and 1 cup of blueberries. You're going to mix all of these together. Make sure the blueberries are really coated. In a separate bowl, melt 8 tablespoons of butter. Add 2 eggs, 125 grams of sourdough discard, 3 tablespoons of sour cream, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix these all together, and then add these to the dry ingredients. Mix these together, and if your dough is too dry, you can add milk a little bit at a time to make it the perfect consistency. Spray your muffin tin with oil, and then spoon out the dough into the muffin tin. Next, we'll make the crumb top. Start with 3 tablespoons of melted butter, add half a cup of sugar, and half a cup of all-purpose flour. Then add this mixture to the top of your muffins and make sure to press them into the muffin dough. And it's time to bake. Bake these for 30 to 35 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. And there you have it, some homemade blueberry muffins. I hope you love them as much as I did. Make sure to like and subscribe for more.